This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications that come from the site ourcoolblog.com. Ourcoolblog.com is definitely a deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to trick its visitors into clicking on this special allow button in order to make them subscribe to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed as push notifications. So it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow button. This means you will start getting a lot of advertisements that will keep attacking your screen periodically. If the allow button was clicked, you'll start receiving these ads in the form of push notifications in the right part of the computer screen. And these ads may point you to many shady pages on the web. So if you have clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser right away. So access the menu, go to settings, go to security and privacy, then site settings. Go to permissions and choose notifications. At this point, carefully research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You will find this site ourcoolblog.com, so you need to remove it from the list and remove other junk sites. Finally, I recommend researching your system completely with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application and begin researching and investigating your system to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.